Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. I'm so blessed, so blessed. I opened this because I didn't know what it was or where it came from, but I contacted who I thought it came from, and she knew all about it. It is from Wednesday and Gilly together. If you haven't seen her channel, you will want to. She has little stuffed monsters and Blythe dolls, and every now and again she shows her horse, how we connected, and she does all kinds of cute things. Anyway, she sent me a pop troll. It's a good luck troll DIY. How cute is this Funko? She said you can paint it. Let's pull him out. Let's pull him. I love the hair, the rainbow hair. Oh, I just love it. Oh, isn't he cute? Oh my goodness. Look at that hair. Best part of a troll is the hair. And they're just so stinking cute. I love troll dolls. But you can paint this. I'm not real artsy, but I will do the eyes and go from there. Thank you so much. This is so fun and such a fun surprise. Wednesday, you and Gilly are so generous. I mean, so generous. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.